evening, and for today's video, meron po tayong nakitang video na ito nga si J.K. Duratan, kanyang cover song is How Much Love Will Kill You by Queen. Ayan, so ating pakinggan yung kanyang cover song. Wow. And parang nasa siya, contest. Tapos may judges dito. Ayan, so pakinggan natin yung kanyang cover song. Season 12 nakalagay eh. Ito po siya ay taga Leyte. Ayan, Samar. Northern Samar. Tama ba ako? Leyte nakalagay eh. And so before that, please don't forget to subscribe para masundan tong mga ginagawa kong reaction video, no? Ayan, so let's go, pakinggan natin.
Hello po, I'm J.K. Duratan from Layog, Kapokpok, Tabangon, Leyte. I'm 20 years old and sa ngayon po medyo kinakabahan pa ako pero laban lang.
Laban lang.
I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be.
Wow.
Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up in what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the life you leave behind. You're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love
Grabe yan.
every time.
Oh, wow. Napaka-simple lang, ano? Napaka-relax niya kumanta. Easy lang talagang makikita mo.
I'm just the shadow of the man I used to be. And it seems like there's no way out of this for me.
Wow. Grabe yung ano.
I used to bring you sunshine. Now all I've ever do is bring you down. Ooh, how would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. And everywhere I go, I'm bound to lose. Whoa, yeah. Too much love will kill you. It will make your life a lie.
voice.
Yes, too much love will kill you, and you want to understand why. You give your life, you see your soul, but here it comes again. Too much love will kill you.
Galing.
In the end.
Ayan, mga kaibigan, all the way from Tabango, Leyte.
Tabango,
Na kung
Leyte.
saan, mga kaibigan, naku, parang
Wow. So yun guys, so hindi ko natatapusin kasi contest nga yan. Tapos may mga judges dyan. So mag-explain yung mga judges dyan about sa cover song niya, How Much Love to Kill You. Grabe guys, bagay na bagay yung boses niya sa kanta na to. Tapos mataas yung boses, mataas yung mga high notes. Tapos I love the song, I love the voice, and make it easy. And ano nga, napaka-relax niyang kumanta. Tapos yung vocal niya, yung vocal range niya. So lahat very clear, yung notes at yung mga lyrics niya. And in the end, all goods yung kanyang cover song. Wow, the best para sa akin. And yun nga guys, hanggang doon lang yung ating reaction video. Please don't forget to subscribe, please like and share sa ating cover song. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, mag-subscribe na kayo para hindi nyo ma-miss yung mga ginagawa kong reaction video. So thank you so much for watching guys. God bless.